Republic Financial Holdings Limited owns 51% of Republic Bank Grenada Limited, but it is now seeking to acquire the full 100% of the company's shares, and as such is on a drive to acquire the other 49%. The cost being offered per share is $45. ECFH Global Investment Solutions Limited has been appointed as the lead broker for this transaction. Its senior manager, Medford Francis, says the offer has economic significance to the country. He claims that the transaction could potentially inject $33 million into the Grenada and OECS economy. He added that, in his opinion, the offer price of $45 per share represents a fair value of the stock and represents a multiple of 20 times the current earnings of Republic Bank Grenada Limited, and is in line with the current market price of the stock. Francis told shareholders that the offer is not bad news, but one that should be taken for the opportunity it presents. Republic Bank Limited Executive Director Derwin Howell outlined a number of measures that will affect the banking system, such as operating expenses, general decline in credit demand, and technology maintenance and improvement. He told shareholders that the sad truth is that capital compliance requirements will trump dividend payments to shareholders.
We are also faced with a changing regulatory environment in which the new Banking Act requires an increase in stated capital from $15 million to $20 million by February 2017. The new Act also requires that the bank's statutory reserves match its stated capital over time. This requirement will have the first call on distributable profit and will limit the bank's ability to pay dividends to its shareholders.
Howell said that for the Republic Bank to remain relevant, it needs access to extra capital.
This is what our goal of 100% ownership is aimed at: giving Republic Bank Grenada access to that capital and to the full force of the Republic Financial Holdings infrastructure to be able to position itself to offer the latest products and technologies over time.
Shareholders have until June 10th to sell their shares. According to the company, payment for shares sold will be made within 30 days after the offer closes. The bank says the offer is approved by the Eastern Caribbean Securities Regulatory Commission and the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank, among others. Joseph McKee Smith, GBN News.